Okay, this is another sword that I am repairing. The old one was with black light to Tsuka, and it was longer. I make it a short one. It's very familiar, the sword, the stainless steel that you can buy in the website. I changed the tsuba too. I want to paint the saya with brown and green, so it could be, like the army stuff. Just for fun too. I need to finish the last part of the roping. Put the tsukaito. You can see the traditional how to put the rope. Put the kashira, and the tsuka is finished. The saya, and now I'm going to paint it with brown. I paint in brown the saya,